The ever-capable and always culpable Constable, Finstable.
Thank you for joining us once again for another quick and brief, exciting episode of the ever-capable and always culpable Constable Finstable. Did you know that when you make gel in your gel machine, sometimes your grounds don't get the water in them? So, we've got a remedy. You boil a little water, then you pour it over your grounds after they have run their course. As meticulous as this sounds, and probably quite off topic, you'll thank me in the end because you're not wasting your grounds. And at the same time, you extend the life of the particular batch of grounds you've just used. So instead of yielding perhaps 8 cups or 10, mind you, I've already poured a cup, you have sort of inadvertently recycled your grounds and extended the life of this particular batch. Yeah. If there's any questions, please feel free to leave comments down at the bottom where it says comments. Thank you for joining us once again on the ever-capable and always culpable Constable Finstable. That's me. Have a great day. God be with you.
The ever-capable and always culpable Constable, Finstable.